Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon SoulSilver on your iPhone. First, you'll need an emulator. An emulator is an application that mimics a game console, allowing you to play games like SoulSilver on your mobile device. Find a reputable Nintendo DS emulator compatible with iOS and download it. Make sure your iPhone has sufficient storage, perhaps a few hundred megabytes, for the emulator and game files. Next, you'll need the Pokémon SoulSilver game file, known as a ROM. It's important to obtain this legally, for example, from a game cartridge you own. Once you have the ROM file, transfer it to your iPhone. This can often be done through cloud services or by connecting your phone to a computer. Then, move the ROM into the specific folder your emulator uses for game files. With the ROM in place, open your emulator application. You should see an option to load a game or browse for your ROM file. Select the Pokémon SoulSilver ROM to begin. Take a moment to explore the emulator settings. You might want to adjust screen orientation, control layouts, or even graphic enhancements for a better experience. Now you're ready to embark on your journey. To ensure the best experience, remember to save your game frequently within the emulator, just as you would on a real DS. This prevents losing progress if the app closes unexpectedly. For a more authentic and comfortable gaming session, you might consider pairing a Bluetooth controller with your iPhone. It can significantly improve precision and comfort during battles and exploration. Also, check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.